Hello, Plonkers. Yes, Caitlin.
Who?
Caitlin.
Daft Scots Lass here, and yippee! It's Friday! My favourite day of the week. I love Fridays, and it means that I can get my drink on. Yes, now I've been dying for this glass of wine the whole week. Actually, it's been quite a stressful week. Oh wait, I forgot something. Festive, right? If any of my bloggers have realised this week, I got a new word. I know that I use brilliant a lot, and when I was over at Dave Cad Blogs this week, he was saying that he needs a new word because he overuses awesome too much. Now I've got the same problem, but I say brilliant too much, and my new word for the week is banging. I've left a lot of comments on your blogs because I was doing a lot of blog reading this week, and a lot of comments involved the word banging.
And yippee. Yippee.
There's some really cute footage I got today of our wee Emma pup chasing Megan's remote control car. Well, it's actually not a car, it looks like a remote control worm or something. Hey girl, come say hello to the Plonkers. Hello Emma. Yes, you can see how big Emma's getting. She's grown quite a lot this week. It's all that good, yummy, scrummy dog food that she eats. She's getting rather chubby, I'd say. Wouldn't you say? Chubby? Yes. Chubby. Ow! It's just been a really crappy week at work. Go down, Emma. Like a kind of mismatched week. And I'm not quite sure why. It's like that time of year where everybody's tired and grumpy and quick tempered. In one way it's winding down at work, but in another way we've still got like loads of deadlines to meet, and the next 3 weeks are full of like year-end functions. My hubby's year-end function, which is going to be what's the theme again? Oh, Winter Wonderland. And then of course our year-end function is the following week, and that is the December Derby, where we've got to dress up like we're going to the horse racing, whatever. Somebody suggested that we go as jockeys, but I'm not too sure I could see my fat arse being in those jodhpurs. It just would not be a pretty sight. And I'll show you on my blog what I'm going to wear closer to the time. On the same weekend that it's my hubby's Christmas party, that Winter Wonderland doodah, my sister and I are doing the Sisters with Blisters walk. Oh, yes, remember I told you a while ago I got a house plant? Well, anyway, the story goes, I was in the car park of the shopping centre and I saw a handbag in a trolley, took the handbag and spent the next 2 days trying to find the owner. Well, when I finally gave it back to her, she came round to fetch it and brought me a house plant and some chocolates. Jeez, did you hear the thunder? This is the house plant. It's a pretty house plant. Let's just put it this way. I don't have green fingers. In fact, I kill most of the plants that come into this house. I have one house plant that I've had for like 20 years. So this little plant has actually done quite well, considering I've had it for what, 3 months now? But it is starting to look a wee bit unloved, if want for another word. You know, the leaves are going yellow and whatnot. And you know what, to tell you the truth, I don't know what it is that I do to plants, because I really love them. I like houseplants, and I like the fact that they're pretty and they flower, and it looks very sad, doesn't it? I mean, look at these poor wee leaves that just fall off. I don't know if I overwater them or underwater them or shower them with too much love. I really don't know what the fuck I do, but I'm not banging with houseplants at all. I'm going to resign myself to the fact that I've killed the houseplant. Yes, Plonkers, I have killed yet another living creature. It's very sad. But you know what I think I'll love? Another thing this week, I found the most awesome store. Did I just say awesome instead of banging? Right. I found this banging store and they sell all sorts of cool stuff. And I got a lot of my Christmas presents from there. So this is one of our Christmas hats that we got at the awesome warehouse. Wait, did I just say awesome? I meant banging. Right. Banging! That's right. Now, just put your head a wee bit forward so we can see what the top looks like. Look at that cute wee bauble. Oh man, that's so cute. This one is very sort of cat in the hat-ish. So we're going to be doing like a family Christmas card. I did it last year and I put the photo of us being all daft and silly on the blog. And everybody seemed to like it, so I'm going to do it again this year for a Christmas card that goes out to everybody. She just wiggled her ass to the Plonkers.
And today it's no school, and we're gonna play Nintendo. Yay! I'm playing Nintendo.
What game are you playing?
Toy Story 2, and I don't know where's the Mario game.
Woohoo!
You stick around.